Yo, so if you are doing these key rings and you are making a little stand for them, obviously don't make the twigs that you use too thick. For the simple reason is when you snip them like that, they don't want to be too thick because they won't go on the fucking twig. Do you know how I know that? Because I did it. And I used too big of twigs and they wouldn't go on, so that was stupid. So don't use too big of twigs, and yeah, not too long as well, probably 5 or 6 on each one. I'll show you when I'm done. Thank you very much. Click and subscribe.